Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to schedule a YouTube video upload. Click Upload Video. Click the down arrow key. Select Schedule. Click Select Files to upload. Change the date and time to publish. First, change the date. Second, change the time to publish. Schedule date and time changed. Click Publish on this date. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.